The Philosophy of Wealth and Happiness, Jim Rohn's Powerful Strategies. Discover the timeless wisdom of Jim Rohn in this transformative lecture, where he unpacks the secrets to personal growth, financial independence, and leading an extraordinary life. Through compelling anecdotes and actionable insights, you'll learn how to overcome challenges, embrace opportunity, and unlock your full potential. Stay tuned for lessons that have inspired millions to redefine their path to success. Life lessons and philosophy. Self-improvement journey. The speaker emphasizes the importance of taking responsibility for one's life and making a conscious decision to improve. Search for ideas. Ideas are essential for transformation and are accessible to those who actively search for them. He applauds attendees for seeking knowledge through seminars and encourages continuous learning. Role of adversity. The speaker reflects on winters of life, representing challenges, and underscores the need for resilience. Challenges should be viewed as opportunities for growth and preparation. Success principles. Personal responsibility. Success comes from changing oneself rather than hoping external factors, like the economy or government, will improve. The concept of success being something you attract by becoming an attractive person was highlighted. Service to others. Success and wealth are tied to serving many people. By contributing to others' lives, one can achieve personal and financial growth. The famous quote, "If you help enough people get what they want, you can have everything you want," was discussed. Harvest and seasons analogy. Life follows seasons: spring, opportunity; summer, work and vigilance; fall, harvest; and winter, challenges. Effective use of each season leads to personal and professional success. Practical advice for growth. Building financial security. Invest wisely, emphasizing the importance of building assets over liabilities, e.g., buying homes before cars. The importance of financial independence and smart investments was stressed. Personal health and well-being. Health is a foundational element for achieving goals. The body is described as a temple that supports dreams and ambitions. Continuous learning. Attendees are encouraged to consistently seek knowledge from books, seminars, and other successful individuals. Learning new skills and refining one's abilities is crucial for staying competitive and adaptable. Final thoughts. Thankfulness and positivity. Being thankful for what you have opens doors to new opportunities, while cynicism closes them. High drama of life. Life's challenges and conflicts make it meaningful and provide opportunities for personal growth and achievement. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Jim Rohn's powerful strategies for personal and professional growth. This is just the beginning. Get ready for more transformative ideas in our next video that will take your success to new heights. Don't miss it. Mark your calendar and be prepared for insights that could change your life.